Hi guys, if Bluetooth is not connected on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, don't worry, this happens more often than you think. And in this video I'll show you some quick fixes that usually solve the problem. First, the basics. Swipe down to open control panel and make sure Bluetooth is actually enabled, so you can find it right here and it should be enabled. Cool. Sometimes it's better to disable it and enable it again just to retry your just to reboot your Bluetooth model. Okay, next go into settings. If it not helps, just open settings and here you will find Bluetooth. Find the device you are trying to connect, tap to the little information button if you have it. Now I'll show you it. Now I'll show you how it works. Wait a while. Okay, for example, I have this Samsung headphones. So firstly, we should put it into the pairing mode. Okay, it's connected, and for example, it's what I'm talking about here. As you can see, when we have some connected devices, we have information button near this Bluetooth device, so we should click on it, click forget the device, and then try to connect again. So try to enable pairing mode on your Bluetooth device again, find it here and connect to it. Okay, so this is the first thing you can do. The next, if it's still not working, so toggle airplane mode, untoggle it and try again. Now it should work. Still having trouble? Go to General, scroll down, find Transfer or Reset an iPhone, click Reset, and here find Reset all settings. Reset all settings. In this way, so sorry, not the all settings, but reset network settings. In this way, you will reset your Bluetooth model to the default settings. It will remove all your connected Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi passwords, but you should do that because this is the thing that can help you when nothing works. Okay, it's not the hard reset, it will not restore your smartphone to the factory defaults, it will restore only your Bluetooth and network model to the factory defaults. So it's not too bad. Okay, here we are. Okay, so as you can see, all Bluetooth devices was deleted, so now you can try to reconnect your Bluetooth device again. But if none of this works, the issue might be with the Bluetooth device itself, not your iPhone. So try to connect it to another phone or a laptop to check. And maybe you have the problem with your Bluetooth device. Maybe, sometimes it can be the problem with the Bluetooth model on your iPhone, if it's true, so you can get your iPhone to the customer service. But first, let's try to connect different Bluetooth device to your iPhone. If no one Bluetooth device can be connected to your iPhone, you can in this situation the problem with your iPhone, so get your iPhone to the customer service. But if only one device can be connected to your device, so the problem in this device. See you. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye.